welcome back everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Mike here. It's been a while. Happy New Year's. Kicking off with a great video now. Lots of info for Accord owners, TLX, and RDX owners. We're going to go over the PRL intercooler kits. All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. Two PRL intercoolers here. What are they for and why are they both different? Well, we've been selling these for a long time. The one in front here is the PRL 10th gen Honda Accord intercooler. It works on RDX and works on TLX. Beautiful. You can see the thickness here on it. It's much smaller. Why is that though? Well, this one in the rear is the PRL RDX intercooler. And both of these actually are the exact same as far as mounting, location, and charge pipe. So what we did 3 years ago, I don't even know why I haven't even done a video on the channel yet, is we put one of these on an Accord. No trimming needed, bolts right up. Obviously we've owned a 10th gen Accord and we've owned an RDX, both heavily modified. And this one actually will give you just slightly lower AIT temps. So what I say, a lot of people will say, is it worth upgrading if I already have this one? Look, if you're looking for the most out of your setup, I would say, you know, if you can sell this one and get this one, yes, it's going to give you more surface area. It's a little less thick, but the crash bar does kind of sit in front of here. TLX members, you do need to lightly trim for this, but it does fit. RDX fits perfect. Accord fits perfect. Both of them do. The only thing is, with RDX owners and TLX, on the 2021 and up RDX and the TLX, you need the coupler that fits right here to the stock intercooler piping. Honda, for some reason, changed up the diameter going from here to the stock. So PRL sell a coupler that fits on this. So for the newer ones, even the 2025s, you just get that coupler. Bolts right on. TLX, you need the coupler. So yeah, two options of intercoolers depending on which one you've got. We've got them all in stock, black, silver. I'll go over the weights too, because some people are wondering, like, you know, is this one going to be heavier? Which one's heavier? I think it's good information to have, not like it makes a big deal. And I'll show you the thickness real quick on these cores. All right, so we got the tape measure. Let's start off with the Accord intercooler. Let's see how thick of a one this is. It's 3.5 inch versus just under 3 inch. It's right at 3 inch on this core. Now we're gonna measure the height of them. This one is coming in just at 7.25, and the RDX one, it's 9.75. So you're picking up a good 2 inches there in height. And let's measure the cross section because they are slightly different. All right, so I've actually put them about perfect with each other. You can obviously see the end tank is, they're both the same on this side pretty much. And we've got about 27.5 bead to bead on here on the Accord one. And I know they don't look like it in the picture that they bolt on, but they both work perfectly fine. So it's just an optical illusion. Now let's measure the RDX. Obviously it's not as long as the Accord one, but it makes up for it in the height, so. All right, we've got it right there, and we're about 25.25. So yeah, 2 inches, a little bit less than the Accord one. Like I said, you're gonna get a little bit cooler AITs. Why do we know that? Well, we had several people that have gone back to back swapping these out, and they have noticed lower AITs with the RDX one. All right, let's get them on the scale real quick. We'll see which one's fatter out of the two and heavier. All right, the Accord one coming in at 18.2 pounds. Nothing else on the scale. Let's get the RDX one on. All right, obviously a little bit larger end tank, your cast fitting, and we're at 19.4, so 1.2 pounds difference. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Any questions, just email us, message us. I'll drop links below so you can order them. We ship out basically same day or next day, 1 to 2 days shipping. And like I said, a great upgrade, especially with summer coming around the corner, tax deals coming up, refunds coming in. Definitely get your RDX intercooler for your Accord or your TLX or RDX. Like I said, we're the #1 shop for RDX goods. We've actually owned one, made over 400 wheel with ours years and years ago. So we have all the info you need, so you're not wasting money on parts that don't work and don't make horsepower. All right, till next time.